I, Dr. R.C. Singh, on behalf of my SRD colleagues, Dr. Rohit Khokhar, Dr. Rajendra, Ashish Jain, and many others, welcome all the participants, keynote speakers, the to this sixth international conference on management, engineering, science, social science, and humanities 2021. And this conference we are organizing in association with Simeo Rexon. Friends, we started this society with mission to provide common platform to the academicians and experts of diverse domains across the globe with the objective to accelerate the advancement of knowledge through the development of new technology for the contribution of mankind. And the core values of our society are commitment, which you can easily observe that this is our sixth conference with diversity, innovations, integrity, impact, utility, collaboration, and accessibility. With these core values, we are working hard to bring the participants, the researchers of diverse field at a common platform. The contributions of our Society for Research Development are promoting interdisciplinary research. We are very much active in organizing regular conferences, seminars, and workshops. We are publishing the proceedings of the conference and the research papers in journals of international repute. The society is also providing annual and lifetime memberships, and we are collaborating and signing MOUs with different organizations to promote the research across the globe. Now, the journey of SRD is very interesting. We started in 2016 with a limited participants of 45, and the members of SRD were 15, and the first conference in 2016 was held at uh, Bangkok. Then in 2017 we held our conference at Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and the participants from 45 rose to 67, and the active members rose from 16 to 32. Then in 2018, we organized our conference at Bali, Indonesia, and the participants were 80, and the SRD members increased to 55. In 2019, we organized our conference at Phuket, Thailand, and the participants were 92, and SRD members were 115. And in 2020, due to the COVID pandemic, we could not hold our conference face to face. So we organized this conference in virtual mode. The conference was supposed to be held at Penang, and the participants who participated in fifth international conference were 120, and now the SRD members were 180, and in 2021 the participants are 100, and the active SRD members are now 225. So from 15 we rose to 225, and I do hope that in future we will increase gradually. The conference of the proceedings have been published. In 2016 we published our proceeding with the help of Tata McGraw-Hill, and from 2017, 2018, 2019, and 2020, the society itself is publishing its SRD proceedings. The society has also tied up with many journals such as International Journal of Computer Applications, Solid State Technology, Zive International Publication, Universal Journal of Educational Research, Civil Engineering and Architecture, Mathematics and Statistics, International Journal of Human Movement and Sports Sciences, International Journal of Innovative Technology and Exploring Engineering, International Journal of Engineering and Technologies, and these journals are indexed in EBSCO, Informatics, Google Scholar, ProQuest, NASA, ADS, and the Standard Periodical Directory, Scopus, and from Elsevier and many more. So in this Icon Miss 21, the total papers received are 100, and we have participants from Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, Taiwan, India, Uzbekistan, USA, etc. And the session will the first session, that is the inaugural session. The keynote speaker for this session would be Dr. Subhu Angora, who will be presenting the keynote address. Then in session 1, we have session chair as Dr. Venus Ibarra. Then in session 2, we have session chair as Dr. Gunjan Jain, and session 3, Dr. Kuriana Abdul Talib, and in valedictory session, we have a guest, Dr. Ajay Kumar. I welcome all these co-session chairs in this conference. There would be 16 invited talks, and out of 100, the 47 papers have been accepted for publication after peer review, and the journal which has kindly agreed is Cambridge Scholars Publishing. I thank the editors of Cambridge Scholars Publishing for accepting our offer to publish the papers of this conference. In session 1, the theme is sustainability and innovations. There would be 3 invited talks and 5 oral talks. And the session chair would be Dr. Venus C. Ibarra, so I welcome her once again. For session 2, the theme is Sustainable Development Goals, and there would be 4 invited talks and 11 oral presentations, and the session chair would be Dr. Gunjan Jain. I welcome her once again. She is our colleague also. And then in session 3, we have 1 invited talk and 4 oral presentations, and the session chair would be Dr. Kuriana Abdul Talib. I welcome her once again. Friends, this is the glimpse of the last, that is 2020 IconMess conference, which was held at 14th and 15th of August 2020. It was a virtual conference, so this is a slide of that. And we have glimpse of IconMess 19, which was held at Phuket, Thailand. Then the glimpse of 2018 conference, which was held in Bali, and this is the glimpse of 2017, which was held at Kuala Lumpur, and this is the first conference at Bangkok, Bali. I especially welcome our keynote speakers, Dr. Sunantha Prime, Dr. Miranda P. Ye from Malaysia, Professor Peter Chiu from Malaysia, Dr. MP Singh, who has been kind enough to attend all our conferences, and our he guided us at many occasions. We get regular guidance from him. Then we have Nalini Arumuga from Malaysia. Then we have Dr. Indrajam from Indonesia, Akash Chauhan from Taiwan, and Dr. Rahul Kumar from India. And I have a colleague from Malaysia, Dr. Khartho. My special thanks to her. And friends, I think this conference would be a great success once again, and with your cooperation, and I see the same cooperations for our future endeavors also. So once again, I welcome you all and thank you. Thank you very much for participating in this conference. Have a nice day.